shark or something in here because they usually, I don't think they would jump that much. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, see right there, right there, right there, right there. There he is, he's right there. That's a shark right there. It's a sand shark or something, but he's right there.
I see him.
You see all the little waves? See him moving around?
Yep.
Yeah, he's sitting right there. That's why they're jumping. I'm telling you, there's one there. There's a bunch of baby fish, but that was definitely a sand shark. That's awesome. Too bad we didn't have the camera zoom right in and be able to see him. Yeah, see there he is. Yeah, see that's definitely a sand shark right there. That is so cool. It's awesome. Yeah, see if I had my fishing license, I could fish here. That'd be great. Catch the fish.